Ogai mar ODM Raila kwa jatend piny Kenya William Ruto mondo ne anyuola manoito jogi kod mago manoyudo hinyruok e kinde ng'anyo mar rawere mag Gen Z ochul mowinjore. E twak mare nyasi mar madaraka e kaunti ma Homa Bay, Raila kone ng'uono manyocha jatend piny Kenya kwayo. Ojendego en mana tielo mokwongo e wuoth mar winjruok kod jopiny. Kabende okwayo kwe kod riwruok mar oganda jo Kenya.
I saw that during the prayer breakfast recently this week, there was apologies that were being made, the speaker and yourself, which is wonderful as a first step to reconciliation. But then there's the issue of people who are injured, some people who died during that time. I want today to say that we should do compensation to families of those who died and those who are injured, so that we can have a closure to this chapter of our national history today. We want Kenyans to live in peace and in unity.